Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss about alkyl halides and their methods of preparations. So let me start. Alkyl halides and their preparations. Alkyl halides and their preparations So before going to start preparations, so let me take the definition of alkyl halides. So what are alkyl halides then? As the name itself indicates, alkyl and halide. There is one alkyl group is there and there is one halide group is there. Halides means it's a halogen group is there. So definition, alkyl halides are the organic compounds having the general formula RH. Alkyl halides are the organic compounds having the general formula RH, where R stands for alkyl group. R stands for alkyl group. It may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, like that. And X stands for, that is halogen. X stands for halogen, that is group number 17 elements, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like that. So alkyl halides are the organic compounds having the general formula RH, where R stands for alkyl group and X stands for halogen group. So let me start their preparations of alkyl halide now. So there are four important methods for the preparations of alkyl halide. So first method, that is Gross process. This is first method for the preparation of alkyl halide. Second method, Darjin's method. Third method, Finkelstein reaction. And one more method is there, that is fourth method, that is Schwarz reaction. So these are the four important methods of preparations of alkyl halide, and basically all these reactions, they are named as named reactions. So named reactions are important for both theory as well as CET point of view. So let me start one by one. I'll take first one, Gross process, how alkyl halides are prepared by using Gross process. See, so I'll start first method. So I'll write first statement of this Gross process. When alcohols reacts with halogen acid. When alcohols reacts with halogen acids in presence of dehydrating agent, dehydrating agents like anhydrous zinc chloride to form alkyl halide. So this is the statement of Gross process. Let me read again. When alcohols reacts with halogen acids in presence of dehydrating agents like anhydrous zinc chloride to form an alkyl halide. See, first alcohols. We must know what are alcohols and what is their general formula here. So alcohols are the again organic compounds. They are having the general formula of ROH. So I'll write ROH here. So when alcohols means that is ROH reacts with halogen acid. So halogen acid means, see here, halogen means it is a group number 17, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So halogen that can be represented by symbol X. And halogen acid is there. So acid means, acid is a substance which can donate a proton or which contains H plus ion. Therefore, the acid is represented as H. So this is the representation of halogen acid now. Now, alcohol reacts with halogen acid in presence of dehydrating agent. In presence of dehydrating agent. So dehydrating agent means it is the substance used to remove water molecule in most of the chemical reactions. Dehydrating agent means it is a substance used to remove water. Sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agent. So here a dehydrating agent is anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride is used as a dehydrating agent here. It helps to remove water molecule. Then to form an alkyl halide. So simple meaning is you have to take alcohol and you have to react with halogen acid in presence of dehydrating agent like anhydrous zinc chloride, you will get alkyl halide. So let me write the reaction. So this is general representation of alcohol. This is a general representation of halogen acid in presence of dehydrating agent like anhydrous zinc chloride to form an alkyl halide. See, so it helps to remove water molecule. See, water molecule means OH from alcohol and H from halogen acid combine to form a water molecule. So I'll write water molecule here, H2O. And remaining is RX. So RX. So this RX is nothing but your alkyl halide. I hope it is clear. This is the general statement of the Gross process, and this one is a general representation reaction. So let me take one example for this Gross process. I'll take one alcohol here. In place of R, I'll write CH3, that is methyl group, CH3OH. So CH3OH means it is a alcohol and the name of alcohol is methyl alcohol. This methyl alcohol, when it reacts with one halogen acid, I'll take halogen acid HCl. This is the halogen acid. In presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride. As I told, it helps to remove water molecule. See here, this is the water molecule. So this water molecule gets separated and remaining is CH3Cl. CH3Cl. And CH3Cl is known as alkyl halide. That is methyl chloride is the alkyl halide. Statement, general representation, and this is one example I have taken. So here you can take a different examples of alcohol like ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, like that. And here also you can change the halogen acid also. In place of HCl you can take HBr, HI. Yes, you can take different examples of halogen acid. You get the different types of your alkyl halides here. Okay. And here I want to give one note here. Anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl. Anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl. This mixture is known as Lucas reagent. This mixture is known as Lucas reagent. So in examination they may ask question, 1 mark question, what is Lucas reagent? So Lucas reagent means it's a mixture of anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl. And moreover, this Lucas reagent actually it is used in the distinguish between primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohols. So this is what the first method for the preparation of alkyl halide by